about to go in with a very special guest, Prince Harry.
Harry,
Hi, Dewey.
thank you for doing this.
Are you easily scared?
Not normally, but today might be different.
All right, let's see.
Let's go.
Here we go.
My first time.
Jimmy?
Way to go first. Oh my God, hello, nice to see you. You look nice. Matching you clean.
Is that you?
What's that mean? There's a serial killer on the loose. Oh, I see someone.
Is that a panda?
Yes, it is a panda.
You're afraid of pandas.
You're afraid of pandas.